So the myth was my hearing cannot be helped. So we obviously debunked it. Number one, we learned that if you're going in for a physical, make sure to at least get a hearing screening so that you know where your hearing is. Number two, if you feel like you may have hearing loss, don't be afraid to speak up. Tell your physician, hey, you know what? I can't really hear. Sometimes I ask people to repeat themselves often, or I hear voices mumbly. That way they know whether they can do a test there or simply refer you to an audiologist or a hearing aid specialist. And number three, hearing loss can be treated most of the time, by using a hearing aid or even a simple earwax removal, etc. All right, guys, so we debunked another myth. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your support. And if you have any questions or comments, post down below.